Hi traders, Viacom at a very nice reversal point, shorting right here. Okay, 4,000 shares, it moved up, reversed, looking great for some more downside continuation. Here comes Viacom, what a nice breakdown. Look at OPHT, about to short it. Okay, short, OPHT down 84% and very nice reversal. Look at Viacom, it's moving, getting ready to take my partial in Viacom. Any pullback? Right now, okay. My first trade for the day, Viacom, $1,200 almost. OPHT is looking good too. Look at Viacom, a new low, about to cover another 400 shares right over here. Up $1,300 in Viacom, what a nice trade in Viacom. However, OPHT is not looking that good. ALXN, just about to break down under the lows. I'm looking for it under 118. Okay, right over here. Right there we go. It's down 50 cents in no time. Looking for $1 in ALXN. Here comes ALXN. Here is exactly the $1 I was looking for. Getting ready to cover on any pullback right now. Okay. Just pulled back up a few cents. Okay, covered in ALXN, up $1,800. The only one that needs to join the party right now is OPHT. And here comes OPHT, just under the lows, about to cover 3,700 shares. Covered, good, $600 in OPHT. Great 3 trades to start my morning and my week with ALXN, OPHT, and Viacom. Just 11 minutes into the trading day, up $4,100. Thank you very much for watching, and don't forget to join one of our funded accounts program. You can have all the education you need plus a fully funded account. Just click on the link above. Thank you very much. See you next time. Traders, if you would like to learn trading, you can join my online trading room, trade live with me, and even mirror my trades. It is a 14-day free trial. You can sign up now. If you don't have a trading account, you can open a Colmex account and get free access to my trading room. Thank you very much for watching.